Hello code lovers, in today's tutorial we will explain how to use Stack with simple examples. Let's talk about Stack briefly before we start our lesson. Stack is a visual component that arranges user interface elements vertically. Using Stack, you can manage the vertical arrangement of components and make the interface more aesthetic. We will now explain this with a few simple examples. A simple Stack usage. With the code here, Stack places two text components vertically. The first text displays Hello, World in a larger font, while the second text displays Welcome to SwiftUI in a smaller, gray font. Stack sorts the items it contains vertically, using alignment with Stack. In this code, Stack's alignment parameter is set to leading. This aligns all elements in the stack to the left. Padding adds some internal space to the stack. Using spacing with Stack. The spacing between elements in the stack is set to 20 units with the spacing parameter. This provides more vertical space between elements, which makes the interface appear wider. Using images and text in Stack. In this example, Stack contains an image and a text component. The image displays a star icon and the text displays the phrase favorite. This type of layout is ideal for presenting icons and text together. Using filled space with Stack. In this example, space is created between elements in the stack using spacer. This ensures that there is maximum space between the text top and bottom. Spacer is especially useful when items need to be placed in a specific position. Using dynamic data in Stack. There are dynamically generated text components in the stack. For each creates each item in the items array as a text component and sorts them vertically. This type of usage is ideal for listing and data representation. You will learn the for each loop in more detail in the following lessons. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of our lesson. We explained the use of Stack by reinforcing it with a few examples. I hope it has been useful for you. See you in our next training lesson.